Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another episode of our How To series. Today, we're tackling how to use the T-Mobile virtual card in 2025. If you're a T-Mobile user, this virtual card is a game changer for secure, contactless payments. It's like having a digital wallet that syncs with your account, making shopping easier than ever. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to access your T-Mobile virtual card. Open the T-Mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure it's updated to the latest 2025 version. Log in with your credentials and head to the My Account section. There, you'll find the virtual card option. If it's your first time, you might need to activate it by verifying your identity with a quick PIN or biometric scan. This step ensures your card stays secure. Once activated, adding the card to your digital wallet is a breeze. For iPhone users, go to Apple Wallet and tap Add Card. Android folks, open Google Pay or Samsung Wallet and follow the prompts. The app will generate a virtual card number for you, which you can use for online purchases or in-store taps. Now, let's talk about making payments. When you're ready to shop, select the T-Mobile virtual card as your payment method. For online transactions, enter the virtual card details just like a physical card. In physical stores, hold your phone near the contactless reader. It's that simple. One cool feature in 2025 is the real-time transaction alerts, so you'll get a notification every time you use it, helping you track your spending. A few tips to keep things smooth. Always enable two-factor authentication for extra security, and regularly check your card's activity in the app to spot any unauthorized use. If you run into issues, like the card not loading, try restarting the app or contacting T-Mobile support. There you have it. Using the T-Mobile virtual card is straightforward and secure. It's perfect for 2025's fast-paced world. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.